Hi everybody, this is Arash and we are solving HackerRank Python preparation challenges. Let's go to the next one, which is called Designer Door Mat. It is categorized as easy, and our job is to design and print in the output something like this. The size is given to us in the input. For example, it tells me it's 11 in 33 and we should print something like this. Alright, at the beginning it tells us that, let's check here, in a single line N and M should be given in the input, so N and M are equal to input dot split, but since we need them as integer, let's map these to int. After that, we need to write down a for loop for this first part, then a welcome here, and another for loop with this for this third part. The first part, we write down for I in range, and our range should be up to whenever, for example, n is 11. These are 5 lines, so it should be something like n minus 1 divided by 2. And alright, we have a for loop up to this moment, which is going to be executed n minus 1 divided by 2 times. Each time we need to print a couple of these in the middle of our screen. Let's call each of these a pack. So a pack is equal to a dot, a vertical bar, and another dot. First line has 1 pack, second line has 3 packs, third line has 5 packs, and so on. So it's basically odd numbers on each line. We need to print a text in the middle of screen, so text dot center, and it should be in the middle of dashes. If we review how center should be written in Python, let's text.center. For example, we should specify its width, which is m in this case, and the text around it, which should be dashes. We should specify what is text on each loop, so text is equal to odd times of pack. So every time I plus 1 I multiplied by 2 plus 1 times of pack is called text. Let's run the code up to this moment to check if we have written down it right. Well, it is telling that float object cannot be interpreted as integer. I should add an int in our for loop. Let's run the code again. Still we have the same problem. I should tell that all of these are an integer. Let's run the code. Alright, so far we have written a program to print the upper part of our math in the output, which should be something like this, which is correct. After that, we need to copy our code from before and execute it once more, but this time it should be reversed. So I simply write down reversed around my range in for loop, and let's run the code and check it, and it's correct. We have both the upper and lower parts of our math, and it's correct. And finally we need to add a welcome in the center, which is very easy. I write down print welcome, and this welcome should be in center of a space with size of m and with dash characters. Alright, let's submit the code. Test case 4 is being checked and everything is alright. We printed the exact thing that it needed us, and it is telling us congratulations because we earned 4th star in Python, and everything is alright. Alright guys, thank you for watching my video. This was Arash and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.